What happens to your body when you eat pineapples? Beyond its delicious taste, the tropical fruit has much more to offer in terms of nutrition. Explore the factors that make this succulent yellow fruit a standout choice for health. Pineapple is not only a delectable tropical fruit, but it also provides considerable health advantages. As per a study published in Biomedical Reports in September 2016, it has been utilized in traditional medicine since ancient times. Pineapple is an excellent provider of vital nutrients such as vitamin C, B vitamins, fiber, and essential minerals such as manganese. Besides, there are numerous ways to relish the luscious yellow fruit. You can grill pineapple slices as a delectable side dish with meat, blend frozen chunks into smoothies, or simply snack on bite-sized pieces. Regardless of your preference, it is highly recommended to include pineapple in your diet. Here are the reasons why. 1. Pineapple is a fruit that's rich in vitamin C. The primary nutrient that makes pineapple stand out is vitamin C, which provides antioxidant advantages and supports the immune system. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, a cup of pineapple contains 78.9 milligrams mg of vitamin C, surpassing the recommended daily intake for adult women, 75 milligrams per day, and coming close to the recommended amount for men, 90 milligrams per day. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in stimulating growth and healing in the body and contributes to various functions such as wound healing and iron absorption. 2. Eating pineapple may enhance your weight loss. It's possible that you've heard that pineapple aids in weight loss. However, there is not much evidence to support this claim. Although, an animal study published in April 2018 suggests that pineapple juice may reduce fat formation and increase fat breakdown. However, more research is necessary to validate this finding in humans. Although pineapple may not have a substantial impact on your metabolism, it still makes for an excellent snack choice due to its low-calorie content, significant vitamins and minerals, and lack of saturated or trans fats. It's worth noting that no single fruit or vegetable can directly trigger weight loss. However, consuming several cups of fruits and vegetables as part of a well-balanced diet can help you feel full without consuming too many calories, resulting in an overall reduction in calorie intake. Pineapple can also be a satisfying alternative for those with a sweet tooth. Compared to other sugary treats, pineapple is lower in calories. If you opt for a serving of pineapple over an ice cream cone for your evening dessert, you may end up consuming fewer calories and potentially lose weight. Additionally, according to the Mayo Clinic, consuming pineapple, which contains 2.3 grams of fiber per cup, as per the USDA, can assist in regulating blood sugar levels and reducing appetite by inducing a sense of fullness. 3. Eating pineapple may aid your digestion. Pineapple comprises of bromelain, which is a blend of enzymes that have been proven to decrease inflammation and nasal swelling. Additionally, it has been linked to wound and burn healing properties. Historically, Central and South American countries have used pineapple for treating digestive disorders, and it is believed to improve digestion. Furthermore, research suggests that bromelain in pineapple may aid in the alleviation of diarrhea symptoms. 4. The manganese in pineapple promotes healthy bones. In addition to calcium, the trace mineral manganese is crucial for maintaining strong bones, and pineapple is considered one of the best food sources of this mineral, according to Oregon State University. Consuming just 1 cup of pineapple provides about 76% of the recommended daily value of manganese. Manganese is believed to help prevent osteoporosis and enhance bone and mineral density. However, it's important to be cautious not to exceed the recommended daily intake, as excessive manganese consumption, more than 11 milligrams per day, may increase the risk of cognitive disorders, as per a study. Fortunately, consuming too much manganese is unlikely because a half-cup serving of pineapple contains less than 1 milligram of manganese. 5. Pineapple is packed with disease-fighting antioxidants. A study reveals that pineapple is an excellent source of antioxidants, specifically phenolics, flavonoids, and vitamin C. Antioxidants are compounds present in food that may help combat inflammation and neutralize free radicals in the body. According to the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCCIH, free radicals are molecules that can cause damage to cells and result in several health problems such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and eye issues. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like pineapple into your diet may help counter these risks. 6. Thanks to its antioxidants, pineapple has cancer-fighting properties. The growth of abnormal cells in the body is what leads to cancer, and there is no foolproof way to prevent it. However, health experts recommend maintaining a healthy diet, particularly one that's rich in antioxidants found in foods such as pineapple, to help combat free radicals and reduce the risk of cancer. A study found that consuming diets high in antioxidants and having high blood concentrations of these compounds were linked to a lower cancer risk. 7. Pineapple fits in an anti-inflammatory diet. Excessive inflammation can cause various illnesses, including cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and coronary artery disease. However, consuming an anti-inflammatory diet that includes pineapple can help reduce inflammation levels in the body. Bromelain, found in pineapple according to research, is responsible for its anti-inflammatory characteristics. 8. Pineapple's nutrient profile means the fruit can help boost immunity. If you're trying to fight off a cold, consider incorporating pineapple into your diet. A 9-week study found that children who ate canned pineapple had fewer viral and bacterial infections than those who didn't consume it. According to the researchers, consuming 1 to 2 cans, 140 to 280 grams, of pineapple per day could potentially decrease the chances of getting an infection or help to shorten its duration. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.